Hi everyone! This week on Friction Friday we have the 2024 through 2026 Acura ZDX. As Acura's all-electric performance SUV, the ZDX blends bold styling with instant electric torque and advanced driver technology. That combination places greater demands on the braking system, especially with the added weight and regenerative braking characteristics of modern EV platforms. Supporting those demands, DFC offers 5000 series advanced brake pads paired with GeoSpec coated rotors. These components are engineered to OE specifications, helping maintain stable pedal feel, quiet operation, and dependable stopping performance. Another key advantage is the GeoSpec rotor coating, which helps resist corrosion caused by moisture, road salt, and daily driving conditions. OE-specific designs ensure precise fitment, helping technicians service the ZDX efficiently and accurately. The result is braking performance that stays smooth and predictable, whether the vehicle is navigating urban traffic or cruising on longer highway drives. For added flexibility, DFC brake components are available individually or as complete all-in-one brake kits, simplifying inventory management for distributors while allowing technicians to complete brake service quickly. DFC proudly supports the 2024 to 2026 Acura ZDX with a complete braking solution, pads, rotors, and hardware engineered for durability, reliability, and OE-level performance. If you missed this week's Must Have Monday email, connect with your DFC sales rep or visit dynamicfriction.com to download the full sell sheet organized by make and model. And as always, stay tuned for next week's Friction Friday to see what we're launching next.